Kapalbhati. It is a Kriya, not Pranayam. So we will learn today Kapalbhati Pranayam. So this is the sitting procedure, sitting position. You can sit in the Shukhasana or Ardha Padmasana or in Padmasana, Siddhasana, Siddha Yoni Asana, whatever you feel. If you are unable to sit on the ground, you can sit on the chair also, provided your spine should be erect, head, neck and body, back. All three should be in a straight line. Keep yourself both the hand in the Jnana Mudra or you can keep in Chin Mudra. So I am keeping in Jnana Mudra. State. What we have to do? We have to forceful exhale our breath. Simultaneously, we have to pull in our stomach. Let us see. You can watch here. Movement is there. Here. After every exhalation, this will go in. This is the active exhalation and passive inhalation. Inhalation time will be very little. Just try. No movement at any part of the body is required. You can close your eyes. You can chant Om, Om with every breath, which will give a spiritual benefit. Initially, you can do in 1 minute 30 repetition. Slowly, you can increase it to 60, and then finally, in 1 minute, you can raise it up to 90 reps. So, this 90 reps you can do 3 sets. So, slowly, as your exercise will advance, you will be able to do. So, initially, you should start with 30 reps only in a minute. Let us start 30. So, if you are doing these pranayama after your exercise regime, after your asana, it will strengthen your lungs. Nowadays, whatever the critical situation, pandemic situation we are facing, it will strengthen your lungs to fight with such many viruses. It will not take up. Virus will come, but your body will have sufficient immunity. This is totally game of heart, uh, lungs only. So once your lungs is strong, so nothing can be done by any other agency. So we have to make our lungs efficient, and this can be done by regular practice of Kapalbhati. So we must inculcate a habit minimum 5 to 10 minutes of every day we must spend in pranayama. So this is the basic kriya. It is called only kriya since it is purifying the body, it is purifying our respiratory system. So we will do again once again. The regular practice of Kapalbhati will help you in dealing so many diseases, even more than 50 diseases can be helped by these Kapalbhati. So it has been proven by many research that Kapalbhati is a very useful, beneficial without having a single side effect. So why not to include it in our daily regime? Let us do it. I hope with this short video you will be able to do at least basic knowledge you could have had through this video. And you must start at least whatever the time you are giving, whatever the way you are doing. Let us start slowly. You will get the perfect action also. So all the best. You should learn the Kapal Bhati. Thank you very much from Narendra Kumar.